Yes!
My status is single. And my status is single.
Yeah.
Single. My status right now is single also. Yeah.
I don't know yet.
I think I'm loyal and faithful.
Yeah.
How of course, handsome.
Yes,
Perfect. Short or tall?
Tall!
Dark.
Dark. Ay!
Yeah.
How about you? White or dark? White?
How about you? Moreno.
I love Moreno!
You will compare it from younger and the older one. What is the difference between having relationship young and
I
older?
prefer
older, but
The older one is more mature than the younger one.
But no one would ever bet against us. If they saw us exchanging glances, I was too busy to fall in love. You were too busy to break my heart. Nobody else was there to stop us. Nobody else was there to warn us.
Welcome to the Philippines! Yeah!
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to.
Hi everybody! Good day! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So by the way, I'm Joy and I'm a Filipino vlogger from the Philippines. So welcome to my Philippine channel. And for today's video, guys, we're here in, where are we girls? Forest Camp! Yes! So I found this beautiful ladies here in the Forest Camp, guys. And I'm so glad that they're very friendly and very approachable. Alright, so let's start the show. Well, it's just a question and answer. Alright, so first is introduce your name, age, and status. You first.
Hey everyone, I'm Eve Long. I'm 19 years old from Bayawa.
Yeah. So how about your status? Ah, nice. How about you? Okay, same one.
Hi everyone, my name is Joannaline Alabata. I'm from Bacong, Negros Oriental, 19 years old. My status is single. We're single, we're both single.
Wow, how about you?
Hi everyone, my name is Mia Saipon. I am 19 years old just today. And and my status right now is single also.
Wow. The next one.
Catherine Bernardo. Hi everyone, I am Angel Tagalog. 19 years old from San High. And my status is single.
Yeah.
that's
We're
cool.
19.
Wow, so I wonder what guys think. You're so beautiful. Are you guys joining a pageant?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, so from where again? From Ghana. Wow. So how many times you joined in a pageant? 8? Yeah. Wow, that's a lot. So what is your title so far that you got?
I only got 4.
Only? That's a lot. How about you guys? You joining?
Only in school.
Only in school, but you're joining. You got title?
It's 29.
So,
Wala na ko sa.
nawala mo sa... sige, okay na. It's okay. So, like you joined during high school.
Yeah.
Like you have title.
Yeah.
What is it?
I was there.
Lakambini. Okay. During the, what we call that, cultural...
Yeah, Buwan ng Wika.
Buwan ng Wika. Alright. So, guys, what is your ideal man? So, this is the main topic of this one.
Ideal man.
Yeah.
You first.
Since you guys are single.
Family-oriented.
Yeah.
Financial stable.
Financial stable. You.
I don't know yet.
I think I'm loyal and faithful.
Yeah.
How
Of course, handsome.
Yes, perfect. Short or tall?
Tall.
Dark.
Dark. Ay.
Yeah.
How about you? White or dark? White?
How about you? Moreno.
I love Moreno.
So what is your you?
Same.
Same. How about somebody like if a foreigner wants to court you and the age is like twice of your age, would be okay that to you guys?
It depends.
It depends
Yeah.
on the person.
Yeah.
Depends on the person. So your parents are okay with that? What do you think?
For me, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Oh, okay. So have you ever been in a relationship?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what age gap do you have?
Same.
Same age. So how does it feel like you're in the same age gap? Like same age?
Stressful.
Stressful?
Because we're not together now.
Okay. So
We already broke up.
so before
4
it was
months.
just 4 months. Okay. So how about you? Have you ever dated a younger than you?
Yeah.
Of course.
Oh, clean.
Clean, oh, the friend didn't know about it. Okay, so how about you will compare it from younger and the older one. What is the difference between having relationship young and older?
older, but the older one is more mature than the younger one. But sometimes the younger one can also be more, they can accompany you in many things. They understand you, but the mature one, they let you, they don't want, they don't have that strict.
Wow, that's nice. Like, especially the older one, like they will let you do things that you cannot do in life. They will not control you because they want you to be successful, right? But for the younger one, like more fun. Yeah, it's like that. So this question is foreigner or Filipino? Filipino. Have you ever guys tried a foreigner? Yeah. Yeah? Oh, okay. So what nationality?
He's from Egypt.
Really like that?
Yeah, he's from Egypt.
Wow.
So handsome. Tall.
Did you
Tall,
yeah.
yeah.
Did you meet him in person?
No.
I so no. No relationship. I think foreigner is like that.
Chatting.
They don't really like, can you be my girlfriend? I think they will not do like that. Like here in the Philippines, you're courting you.
Yeah,
But in
courting.
foreigner, like, it's different. Like when you met guys and you have good chatting, you have good conversation and like connection, then you guys are together.
Yeah.
It's like that. Oh. So, are you planning to date a foreigner again?
If God will.
If God will. Oh my God. So, that's nice. Okay, so how, are you studying college or high school?
Yeah. We're tourism students.
Oh, we're the same. I was. Yeah, I was tourism student.
From what school?
MDC. Yeah, so I've been studying in Orso for 2 years. I finished my college there. And I did
Continue studying.
Yeah, another course again. So I did not finish tourism. So why you guys get tourism?
We have no choice.
Sometimes, yeah, it's like that. But me, it's my passion to travel. But when I was in the airplane, I realized, oh my God, this job is not for me because I'm scared of heights. Have you ever guys tried
Riding.
No. So you will realize when you are in the airplane, like
Yeah.
you will admire the stewardess or like stewardess there, but when you, oh my God, it's so scary, especially when the weather is so bad. Yeah. So now, money or chocolate?
Money.
Why?
Of course. Money can give everything.
Good. Yeah. How about happiness?
Money or happiness?
Money or happiness?
Money. You will not be happy if you don't have money.
Yeah, that's true. Like, if you can't buy the thing, like you're sad. You're
Yeah.
stressed if you don't have money. So, so are you guys renting a boarding house?
Yeah.
So how much per month you're paying?
2.5.
2.5. Like how many in one room?
Only one person.
One person? That's nice. That's closer to your school.
Yeah.
That's nice. Walking distance. Because now it's really expensive. When I was started in college, it was only 800 to 1,000 pesos in one room. But now you can't get that anymore. Yeah. So what is your goal in life, guys?
I want to be financially stable that I can travel and a lot of countries without worrying anything.
Yeah. How about the vision? Like,
Successful flighted.
Yeah. You know what? It's really fits on her. Especially she's joining fashion. The way she looks, the way she speaks. Like, oh my god, it fits on you. So, yeah, good luck to you guys. And hopefully the success is on the road waiting for you. Oh my god, I'm so excited for that because I'm going in there. Not yet. We're still working hard. Alright, so thank you so much everyone for watching and have a great day. Thank you, ladies. Bye.